Kevin Lombard here with Lombard Equipment with my assistant Duke. Want to show you, this is the ProSpot SP-5, which is a 3-torch pulse technology MIG welder. It does steel, silicon bronze, and aluminum. And if you don't have a silicon bronze pulse welder in your shop yet, now's the time. This welder is in excellent condition, very, very, very easy to use. We've gone through all new tips, all new nozzles, got both tank regulators. It's got your aluminum storage container for your wire with a brand new roll of wire in there, extra nozzles and tips in here. The welder's been tested, ready to go. Normally this welder sells for about $9,500. This welder on sale, $5,495, $5,495 with a brand new helmet. This helmet's $220. The guys should have nice helmets when they're welding with these new metals. Great time to own a welder if you don't have one. Again, 3-torch, pulse technology, ProSpot SP-5.